What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can repost Instagram story on your profile of someone's story. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to go to an Instagram and you need to find a person's profile that you can take the story to post on your profile so you can repost it. I'm going to this profile to like here. After going to the profile you have to click on story. So please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every step I'm going to show you so that you can repost Instagram story on your profile. So after going to the story, there is two options. You can either screenshot it or you can take a screen recording. If this is a video, you can take a screen record and post it on your profile. So if you want to screenshot it like this, after taking the screenshot, you have to go to your profile back and you have to click on your profile plus icon like here and select the screenshot you just took. Then you can post it like this. So this is the only way that you can repost someone's else story without any mention. The other option is that the person have to mention you on their story so that you can share the story directly on your profile. So this is the only way guys. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.